When Liverpool announced the signing of Alexander Isak from Newcastle, it felt immediately like a statement. A player with proven Premier League experience and a skill set that seemed tailor-made for Arne Slot's new era at Anfield. And so all eyes were on his first appearance in red, which came in the Champions League opener against Atletico Madrid. The context of this match is crucial to understanding what we saw. Liverpool were coming into the game with momentum, slot system beginning to take shape, focus on structured pressing and controlled possession. Atletico, managed by Diego Simeone, lined up in their familiar compact 4-4-2, looking to frustrate, disrupt rhythm and punish mistake. For Isak, this meant a completely different challenge. He wasn't going to find acres of space to run into. Instead, he showed patience, intelligence and the ability to link with new teammates in tight zones. What stood out immediately was Isak's positioning. Rather than standing between centre backs waiting for service, he drifted into the left half space, often just outside the defensive line. This is something we saw glimpses of at Newcastle, but at Liverpool it carried extra weight. By pulling slightly left, he created pockets of space that Florian Wirtz could attack from midfield, while also giving Robertson an option to combine on the overlap. Isak offered a more control and focal point, someone who could both threaten depth and short drop to night play together. Off the ball, Isak's work rate was as impressive as his attacking moment. Slots Liverpool are drilled to press as a unit, not to chase aimlessly, and Isak slotted into that system seamlessly. He didn't always sprint at full tilt, but instead pressed with intelligence, curving his run to cut off central passing lines and forcing Atletico wide. When combined with Salah's narrow pressing from the right, Liverpool repeatedly managed to funnel Atletico into areas where their possession could be trapped. For a debutant who had only trained a handful of sessions, his pressing discipline was striking. It showed he had not just been signed for goals, but also for how well he could integrate into the collectives. In possession, his link-up play with Wits was perhaps the highlight of the night. Several times we saw Isak dropping deep to receive, using his first touch to set the tempo and then laying it off quickly to advancing teammates. This gave Liverpool a smoother rhythm in transitions. Isak's involvement was calmer, more considered. His ability to hold off a defender, play a first-time pass into midfield and then spin into space offered Liverpool a new dimension. One sequence in the first half saw him drop deep combined with Wits and then immediately dart between Atletico's centre backs, nearly opening a clear shooting chance. These are the kinds of patterns Slots will want to develop as the season goes on. Inside the penalty area, Isak was equally impressive. Despite not finding the net against Atletico, famously compact blocks, it's not easy to carve out space, but he showed smart double movement, darting towards the front post before peeling off into back post zones. Twice he's lost his marker with clever feints and only last-ditch defending preventing him from getting on the score sheet. His 6 feet 4 frame added a physical presence that kept Atletico's centre back occupied, but unlike a traditional target man, he combined that size with graceful footwork and subtlety of movement. For Liverpool, that blend could prove invaluable. Of course, the big question going on to his debut was fitness. Isak joined late in the window and hadn't had a full pre-season under Arne Slot. It lasted just under an hour before being substituted, but those 57 minutes showed more than enough. Slot himself admitted after the game that Isak was fitter than expected, highlighting not just the running he managed, but the intensity offered. There was no sense of him being off the pace. If anything, he looked sharp, perhaps not yet as his explosive best, but certainly ready to contribute immediately. The tactical takeaway from his debut are several. First, Liverpool now have a striker who is comfortable drifting wide or dropping deep, which allows Slot to vary attacking structures depending on the opponent. Second, his pressing intelligence means Liverpool front line can maintain shape while still applying pressure, vital against top European side. Third, his technical composure under pressure mean Liverpool no longer need to rush transitions. They can build more methodologically using Isak as a secure outlet. And fourth, perhaps most excitingly, the early signs of his partnership with Wits and Salah suggest a front line with balance, variety and unpredictability. It's only the beginning and bigger challenges lies ahead, but this debut showed a striker who brings both quality and intelligence. If this was his starting point, Liverpool fans have every reason to believe Alexander Isak will be central to their ambitions in both the Premier League and Europe. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.